By 2040, you might lose your job, but you might also lose the need for one. Although this sounds like a dream, it's the most dangerous economic transition in human history. And you are living right now through the very start of it. But the future is probabilistic. On this channel, we don't predict the future, we assign probabilities to it. In the next few minutes, we'll use the latest tech trends, economics, and expert forecasts to answer one question. Will humans still need jobs in 2040? Whether jobs still exist is one thing. Whether you still need one to survive is a completely different thing. For almost all of human history, these two were the same. AI might be the first force to pull them apart. For humans to stop needing jobs, three things have to line up, and only one of them is going well. First, the machines actually have to do the work, not just chat, produce, build, run the economy. That part is arriving fast. Second, the money has to go somewhere. If AI does the work, the wealth piles up. But with whom? Someone has to redistribute it through wages, ownership, or something new like a universal income. That part is barely starting. Third, we actually have to want it. Because a job was never only a paycheck. It's structure, status, social existence, identity, a reason to get out of bed. The machine problem is almost solved. The other two, not even close. So let's have a look at the probabilities. What are the odds you still need a job to earn a living? 2030, 95%. Basically unchanged. The system runs almost like today. 2040, 80%. The cracks show AI does huge chunks of the work, but people still trade their time for money to pay the rent. 2050, 60%. The link starts to break. In rich countries, some kind of safety net or AI dividend begins covering the basics for a lot of people. 2060, 40%. For the first time, it's very likely that you might not need a traditional job at all. And here's the twist. We always imagine two endings. Utopia, robots do everything, humans are free. Or dystopia, robots do everything and humans are broke. The real 2040 is neither. It's the messy middle. And in that middle, something new happens. For the first time in history, having a job and earning a living start to become two different things. Some people won't need to work and will anyway, just for the meaning. Others will desperately want work that no longer exists. So the real danger of 2040 isn't a world with no jobs. It's the gap. The years between the old deal breaking and the new one arriving. And that gap is coming for all the people watching this video today. So what's the verdict? In 2040, yes, most humans will still need a job. But the need is quietly eroding one decade at a time. And the people who do best won't be the ones clinging to the old deal or the ones just waiting for the new one. They'll be the ones who saw the gap coming and used the machines instead of competing against them. Because the smart question is not, will the jobs disappear? It's, will you still need yours by the time they do? So what's next? Well, in a world where jobs disappear and AI has all the knowledge we need to do them, another question comes up. Will college become useless? That's next on Future Odds. This was Future Odds. Subscribe today and I'll see you in the future.